Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a buttercream pride cake. My daughter, particularly my oldest daughter, Sabrina, she absolutely loves being an LGBTQ ally. She just thinks that it's very important in life, and she would not forgive me if I didn't make a pride cake with rainbows on it. So that's what we're making today. Let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch and 4-inch cake dummies with vegan American buttercream. I also colored more vegan American buttercream in all the colors of the rainbow and put them in piping bags with open star tips. I piped a row of purple stars along the bottom edge of the cake and worked my way up the cake with all the colors of the rainbow. Then I did the same thing on the top tier. Then I piped a rainbow on top of the cake. This is a fast and easy cake design, and who doesn't love a good rainbow? So, sending love to all our LGBTQ friends. We love you. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.